The Burmese Python. One of the largest snakes in the world, the Burmese Python can weigh close to 200 pounds and reach over 20 feet long. No Everglades mammal is a match for its unending hunger. The python strikes with pointed teeth, then coils around its prey, choking the life out of it. Finally, the serpent stretches its jaw and swallows its meal whole. Originally brought to the US from Southeast Asia as pets, enough had either escaped or been released to begin rapidly breeding in the wild. There may already be over 100,000 pythons in Florida's wetlands. In 2012, the US banned the import of Burmese pythons. Too late. Now, the colossal snake's insatiable cravings are driving it closer and closer to Florida's residents and animals. Even the American alligator. A fully grown gator's probably too much to handle, but a juvenile? This epic battle of the bulging stomachs is raging across the Everglades, and the Burmese python is eating its way to top predator. Nothing is safe from this python's killer appetite.